name is Wana, and this is my colleague's friend, Shum. We are electrical engineering students working on an electrical installation project. We are interested in your electrical wiring materials and would like to know more about their specifications and quality.
Good afternoon, Wana and Joe. I'm Nurin and I'll be happy to help you. What specific wiring materials are you looking for?
We're looking for PVC insulated copper cables, switches, socket, and circuit breakers. We'd like to know about their current workings, safety certifications, and durability.
Our PVC insulated copper cables are rated up to 450/750 volt and comply with MS and IEC standards. They are flame retardant with suitable for both domestic or industrial wiring. Our switches and sockets are made of fire-resistant materials, and the circuit breakers come in various ratings from 6A to 63A with overload and short circuit protection.
That sounds great. Are the cables available in different sizes, and can we buy them in smaller quantities for students' project? Wana and Chum, I'm Sheila from the technical support team. To make sure we recommend the right materials, could you share some details about wiring project?
Our project involves a wiring small workshop set up with lighting, power sockets, and a distribution board. We'll be following a standard single-phase wiring method.
Got it. Could I also have your email addresses and the name of your institution so I can send you the project catalog and technical datasheet? Sure. My email is wana.deeproject@gmail.com and Shum's is shum.electrical.gmail.com. We are from the electrical department at Polytechnic Kota Kinabalu.
Thank you for sharing your details. I'll send you the products catalog shortly. We also provide training on safe wiring, practice, and product installation. Would you be interested to joining that?
Yes, that would be very useful, especially for learning about proper cable termination and load distribution. Could you send us more details about the training schedule?
Of course. I'll include the training information in email. We have both online practical workshop available for students.
That's great. By the way, do you offer students discount for wiring materials?
Yes, we offer a 10% discount for students. I'll make sure to include that in your quotation.
It was great speaking with you, Wana and Joe. If you have any question about wiring accessories or installing standard, feel free to contact us. Thank you, Sheila. We appreciate your help and will review the information you said.
Great, I'll send you everything shortly. Have a wonderful day.
Thanks, Nurin and Sheila. You too.
Hello, my name is Faizatun Izwana and my number matric is 07DEE25F1005.
Hello, my name is Safika Cho and my matrix number is 07DEE25F10F3.
Hi, my name is Sikina Sheila binti Al-Azri and my matrix number is 07DEE25F1071.
Hi, my name is Nurin Madana. My matrix number is 07DE25F1050.